Good Tuesday evening, everybody. January 11th, 2022. Jacob Bryant with Weather from Woodlawn here. Got a lot to talk about tonight in tonight's full forecast update. We've got a cooler night tonight. We're warmer on Wednesday, and we're looking at a winter storm for the weekend. We're going to be talking in pretty good detail about that. Low temperatures tonight are going to be in the 20s across the board. I expect some mid-20s, Mountain City, Bristol possible, Wilkesboro also possible there. The rest of us are going to be in the low 20s, but we're going to warm up tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow are going to be in the upper 40s and low 50s across the region. So that's pretty much everything that we've got going in the short term. A brief period of some snow is possible early on Thursday, but that's not really what we've got to talk about for today. But we do have an update on the potential winter storm, looking a little bit more likely. Here's a look at both the GFS and European models side by side, so we can really kind of talk this thing out. The GFS has a slightly earlier solution coming in late Saturday into early Sunday. We advance to 10 a.m. on Sunday. The GFS model has heavy snow across the area, while the Euro model has a much slower solution, or at least a later solution, as we'll soon see. If we advance until 7 o'clock, we've got the GFS beginning to wrap things up, while the European model just is beginning to get going pretty good across the region. So we're nonetheless, Sunday afternoon, we're going to be looking at heavy snowfall across the region. We advance up to 4 a.m. on Monday. The GFS has the main part of the system out of here with the exception of some mountain flurries, while the European model still has the system dumping heavy snow across the south side. We pushed the model ahead. Whoops, I went one too many clicks. Pushed the model ahead to 1 o'clock Monday afternoon, and everything is gone. So we've got some differences between the models still yet. Here's what we're thinking in terms of accumulation chance. The highest chance for accumulation is going to be in the mountains, while there's a considerably high chance for decent accumulation. And by decent, I'm pinpointing at least 3 or 4 inches. So it's definitely looking like this could potentially be an impactful winter storm. Now the graphic that is getting ready to show on your screen is one model solution. In particular model is the GFS. If you want to see this data for yourself, you can go to any kind of model online model website, pivotalweather.com, tropicaltidbits.com are the two that I know of right off, and you can see this data for yourself. This is the GFS model solution, showcasing heavy amounts of snow for our region. This is a possibility. While this is not gospel, this is a possibility of what we could see across our region. So I've put in the zones here, 6 to 10, 8 to 12, 10 to 15, 15 plus are really pushing it. So if you watched our broadcast this morning, you'll notice that this 10 to 15 stuff, 15 plus, is new, but I really don't anticipate it to stay. I think these numbers are going to come down a lot, and we might be looking at a good 6 to 10 across the region. I'm not anticipating much snow in terms of that much. 10 to 15 is really pushing it. Now, if we're looking at 10 to 15, 48 hours before this storm, then we can possibly go with that. But as of right now, we're going to be trending on the lower side of things until we really see how this is going to set up. Over the next 2 weeks, we do have a higher than average chance for above average precipitation. So that's a tip into some winter weather possibly coming, as well as the temperature outlook showing average chances for both above and below, with that below right up here to the north. So that cold air could be starting to nose in. So we'll keep you up to date. There's still a lot that can change. This slide right here, accumulation chance, is what I would really like you to focus in on. Highest probabilities in the dark red, but everybody has a chance to get in on this upcoming winter storm. We'll keep you up to date.